Hi, Mark Wood with you. I came up to make a video of the Acroduster II project that I've got. It's fully assembled right now, and let me give you a tour. So the fuselage video shows most of the details, and I bought this project pretty much the way you see it. We spent an afternoon and assembled it to see what it needs to finish, what projects need to be done. It's a pretty airplane. I mean, it really should be finished. And I'm not sure that I have the energy and the resources to do it myself. So it's going to go to another individual. These Acrodusters are real nice airplanes. There's a couple of projects on the airframe that probably should be done. There's a bell crank modification, weld a couple plates on the aileron roll control bell cranks, and that's one. There's people modify the cabane strut to be a solid strut instead of having these eye bolts on them. That's probably a good idea. For a full price offer, I'll do that for you. For a discounted offer, I won't. As you can see, it's a really nice airplane. The workmanship on it is good throughout. I don't know if we're going to be able to see in here, how well we're going to be able to see. It does not have a radio or a transponder currently installed. As you can see, it's a pretty airplane. Anyway, I'm open to offers. I'm not sure what the right price is and what it'll take, but you know, cash talks. Thank you. Bye.